What's up guys, Rodrigo here, welcome back to one more video. Let's talk about Bitcoin price, guys. Bitcoin, after we hit this top here at 31,500, we are just moving sideways. We cannot break to the upside, we cannot break to the downside below the level of this support. So on this video we are going to talk about what is going on during all this period of consolidation here, the probabilities that we have to break to the upside and to the downside, and also the key important levels that we cannot break. So you want to know all this information? Stick with me until the end of this video. And guys, don't forget, of course, to sign up to Bybit. You can go to the link on the description. The first link is going to be to Bybit. It is my #1 exchange. I've been using this for more than 3 years and I love this exchange. I never had any problems with this. And for this reason, I'm recommending it to you as well. And also another thing that may be interesting to you, they are giving up to $30,000 bonus. So click in the link down below, sign up to Bybit and claim your bonuses. And using the second link, you're going to have access to Bitflex. And I would recommend this one for those traders who want to be anonymous and don't want to make no KYC. Without further ado, let's go to the chart, guys, here on the 1 hourly time frame. If you remember, on the last video I was explaining you about the short position that I got into right here. As soon as we broke to the downside here, we broke this trend line to the downside, I opened a short position and I was aiming at least the level of 29k, but we didn't hit it so far and I was stopped out already. Because as I told you, my stop loss was above the level of this descending resistance here. And when we broke above the level of the resistance here, I was stopped out of my position. But the important thing here that I want to point out to you, the thing that I want you to pay attention is, even though I was stopped out, it was a profitable trade. Let's say, for example, that I got into this position at this candle right here. I can't remember already the correct price that I got into, but anyways, it was something like this. And I put my stop loss above the level of this descending resistance. And my target all the way down to 29k and 28k as well, both first target and second target. But let's talk about this one. Guys, from my entry point here until the level of this support, we went down 2%. And 2% can be a lot if you are using leverage. So basically, guys, we were coming to the downside right here and we found this level of support here and we were rejected by it. The second time that we came to retest this support, I realized I closed some positions right here. Exactly at this level. Why? Exactly with the purpose of putting money in my pocket, because I knew that there was a probability of breaking to the upside here and stopping me out. And by the way, that was exactly what happened. But I have put some money already on my pocket and I wasn't stopped out with 100% of my position. And also, guys, this was a descending resistance. So as the time was passing and this resistance were going lower and lower, I was also updating my stop loss, putting it lower and lower. So I was probably stopped out right somewhere here, which by the way was already a profitable territory. And it is very important for you to start doing this as well, because doing so we are going to protect yourself, exactly as happened right here. So guys, we are having some choppy action here for the Bitcoin price, and as we go sideways we are making lower lows every time, which indicates for us that we have a level of resistance right here. Every single time that we touch it, we are being rejected by it. But the same is not true to the level of the support, guys. Down here, we are just having lows at the same level, showing that here we are under influence of this horizontal support. And by saying so, it is clear here that we are having a descending triangle. It is usually a bearish pattern and the target is the height of the triangle. So we take the height and project from the moment of the breakout. So all the way to this level would be the target. Bitcoin was showing a lot of strength here on the days prior to this consolidation. So yes, there is obviously a possibility of us breaking this to the upside. But the highest probability of this pattern usually is to break to the downside. And once we break here to the downside, I will be opening another short position. If we come to the 15 minutes here, we can see that we just broke below the level of an important support. This one. And after breaking the support here, the highest probability is to come back to retest the level of the support. Exactly as happened here Same scenario, guys. We were rejected by the resistance, broke the level of the support, boom, came straight to the level of the most important support. And here, once more, we had this support line, we were rejected here. Here we didn't even manage to touch there. We broke the support, came to the level of the main support. So that's what is happening inside the symmetrical triangle. And if we are going to be rejected by the level of the support here once more, we are most probably just make the same type of price action here with the support line, break this support line and come to the main support once more, until we eventually break this to the downside. That's the most important things that you have to know about the Bitcoin price today, guys. So thank you very much for being here with me until the end. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe, hit the bell, and I see you in the next time. Stay focused.